Hi students, let us see the second sum in exercise 1.7. Determine the values of lambda for which the following system of equations. We have to find the lambda value. For that they have given one homogeneous system of equation x plus y plus 3z equal to 0, 4x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 2z equal to 0. Here the number of unknowns is 3. We have to find the given system of equation is a unique solution. When it will get unique solution? If the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to number of unknowns. Suppose if in this sum, if you are getting the coefficient, rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to 3, that time it is known as the consistent and it has a unique solution. We have to show that. One more thing, a non-trivial solution. Suppose the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to n minus k, that is known as the system of equation is consistent and it has a trivial solution. We have to show that. Here the number of unknowns is 3. We have to write the augmented matrix. For that first I write that matrix A, coefficient matrix 1 1 3 4 3 lambda 2 1 2. Now I am going to write augmented matrix 1 1 3 4 3 lambda 2 1 2. If we want to reduce this augmented matrix into row echelon form, we have to apply the elementary row operations on this augmented matrix. Now I am going to apply that elementary row operation. How means R2 minus 4 R1 R3 minus 2 R1. Why? Because we have to reduce this augmented matrix into row echelon form. What is that row echelon form? These three entries should be 0, isn't it? R2 minus 4 R1. What is that R2? 4 minus 4 into 1, 4, 0. 3 minus 4 into 1, minus 1. Lambda minus 12. See, lambda 4 into 3, 12. Here R3 minus 2 R1, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is equal to 0, minus 4. 2 minus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 4. See, 1 1 3. First row you have to write as it is. Second row we transformed already. 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12, 0 0 minus 1 minus 4 0. Here these two entries became 0, but this entry should become 0. So R3 gives R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. What it is coming? 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 1. Minus of minus 1, 0. Here minus 4. Minus of minus lambda. So minus 4 minus lambda plus 12. 8 minus lambda. First row as it is. Second row 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12 equal to 0, 0 0, 8 minus lambda equal to 0. See, from this equivalent system of equation, we came to know the rank of augmented matrix is 3. How? Suppose if lambda equal to 8, you just see 8 means this row, it will become 0 row. That time row of augmented matrix is equal to 2 less than 3. Suppose if here we are going to apply 1 1 3 0 minus 1 lambda minus 12 0 0 0. So that time that bottom row is a 0 row, 2 non-zero rows are there. From this we can easily find the rank of the augmented matrix. Rank of augmented matrix is equal to 2 less than 3. For that we have to find the value of the determinant value of A. Why? We have to find the rank of determinant, the rank of A. See, here I am going to substitute 8. 1 into 6 minus 8 minus 1 into 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8 minus 16 plus 3 into 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus into minus plus 8 minus 2 3 minus 6, so equal to 0. So what is that? Rank of A is equal to 2. So from this rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to 2 less than 3. If lambda equal to 0, the given system of equation is a consistent and it has a non-trivial solution. If lambda not equal to 8, if lambda not equal to 8, suppose if we are going to substitute any other real number except 8, we get this is non-zero row. Here we get some value. So if we are substituting the value of lambda is a real number, we get 3 non-zero rows. So the augmented matrix, what is that augmented matrix? Here we have to O, not B. What is that? 3. Like we have to find the value. Suppose if I am not going to substitute, the value of lambda is 8. I am going to substitute some other value. Lambda is a real number na. Suppose just to take 3. For verification only I am doing this. I am going to find the determinant of A. What it will come? 1 into 6 minus 3 minus 1 into 4 2s are 8 minus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 6. 3 minus 1 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2. 3 minus 2 minus 6, it is not equal to 0. 3 minus 8 minus 5 not equal to 0. When we are substituting the value of lambda is any other real number except 8, we get the rank of A is equal to 3. When the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to the rank of augmented matrix, that system of equation is known, it is consistent and it has a unique solution. If lambda equal to 8, we get the rank of A is equal to rank of augmented matrix is equal to 2. So here we are knowing the given system of equation is consistent and it has a non-trivial solution. If lambda not equal to 8, the rank of coefficient matrix and rank of augmented matrix is equal to 3. So it is consistent, it has a unique solution. Thank you.